Okay, and welcome to a video tutorial on how to join us via Zoom. As you can see, I got my Zoom link here in my email. Just go ahead and click on that. It'll send you to a page that looks a lot like this. The quickest and easiest way to log into Zoom with us is to just click on the Join from your browser button. You go ahead and type in your name, and then click Join. Join audio by computer.
How's it going, Josh?
Hey, good, Brandon, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Right on. Okay, now the second way that you can connect, go ahead and click your link again. If you'd like, you can go ahead and download the Zoom app. This will allow you to have some more features and it will run a little bit more smoothly. Go ahead and click on this download button. It'll appear down here. You click on this. Wait just a couple of minutes while it installs. Okay, the box has disappeared. That means it's been installed. Go ahead and click on this launch meeting button. There you go. It'll pull up in your app here. Click on join with computer audio.
How's it going? I can hear you.
Hey, right on.
You made it.
Connected.
Welcome to our Gear Up event.
Let's say you already have Zoom downloaded. This is what's going to happen when you click on the link. You're going to get that dialog box prompt right away. And you just want to go ahead and click on the Open Zoom Meetings. And it will automatically open up Zoom for you. So there you go. Simple, easy, and you don't even have to leave your own home.